In today's video, we're gonna talk about this bullish reaction seen in the vast majority of stocks today. Not coincidentally, this reaction is happening just as the SPY, QQQ, and essentially all the stocks that make up the Magnificent 17 have reached their critical support points, which we here at this channel have been monitoring very closely even before the market corrected. So let's see what's happening right here, right now, and what to expect next. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader, and if you wanna trade with me, join the 5% project to get access to exclusive signals and analysis. You know, we are called the 5% project for a reason, and you can try our service for free if you have any doubts. Just take a look at our website, no strings attached, and learn how to improve your trading performance with us. Now, as we can see here, the SPY is making a decent bullish reaction. We see a bullish candlestick pattern. We are about to close above Friday's high, rejecting Friday's bearish candlestick pattern, and this reaction occurred right above the $550. This support level, which was a previous top level over here, which give us another very good example of how the principle of polarity in technical analysis works. Previous top levels are gonna act as future support levels and vice versa. Right now, this bullish candlestick pattern seen today is closing above the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart as well. So we are closing above many important support levels, making a bullish reaction. If this reaction over here, if such bullish sentiment persists, we're gonna see a bottom signal above a crystal clear support level, suggesting that yes, the stock market is poised to continue its bullish bias. Now, what could potentially ruin this bullish thesis if we lose this triple support level? Triple support level made by 1, the 21 EMA, 2, $550, this black line up here, and 3, this purple trend line over here connecting the previous bottom levels on SPY since October 2023. So only by losing this triple support level, we would see SPY triggering a sharper correction on the weekly chart, potentially on the weekly chart, triggering this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, triggering a correction to the 21 EMA on the weekly chart, in my humble opinion, of course. Now, all depends on if SPY will maintain its price above these support levels over here on the daily chart. The QQQ shares a similar situation, however, tech stocks are slightly more bearish because we are clearly below the 21 EMA on the daily chart. We have yet to break the $486 resistance level as well. So there is a double resistance level on QQQ, which could frustrate the bullish thesis, but right now, as far as I know, we are trying to make a bottom signal above a crystal clear support level, $473. This black line over here, which on the weekly chart is almost the trigger point of this bearish candlestick pattern called evening star candlestick pattern, which is a quite bearish reversal candlestick pattern, suggesting that yes, if triggered, SPY could correct to lower levels like the 468 or maybe to the 21 EMA on the weekly chart again. All right, so it all depends on if SPY is going to maintain the price above the 473 on the daily chart, and if SPY will avoid triggering this evening star candlestick pattern on the weekly chart. All right, so it all depends on how these two indices are going to react from here. Now, the volatility is about to increase because earnings season is right here right now, and as we can see, Microsoft, for instance, is going to report earnings in 8 days next week. However, Microsoft is already making a nice bullish reaction. Guess where? You have one chance to guess, all right? $433, the previous top level from May this year, which is acting as a support level right now in July. Another example of the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Now, Apple is also trying to react above the 21 EMA on the daily chart, but unlike many other stocks, we don't see a clear, meaningful bullish reaction, alright? I know we are going up today, but today's candlestick pattern is bearish. On the bright side, we are maintaining the price above important support levels like first the 21 EMA, second the $220. Only by losing this key point, Apple is going to trigger a sharper correction ahead. As long as we stay above this key point, great, fantastic. The bullish bias will just persist. It is just like Nvidia. If Nvidia maintains the price above $118 over here, we are gonna avoid a sharper correction on the weekly chart because this is the trigger point of a bearish pivot point on the weekly chart of a potential lower high, lower low, a crystal clear bearish reversal chart structure which could suggest a sharper correction to the 21 EMA on the weekly chart or maybe even to the $97 over here. So we gotta watch out. $118. That's the most important support level on Nvidia. If you are bullish, you want to see a bullish reaction like one seen today above this key point. If you want to see Nvidia dropping for whatever reason, right? If you are actually shorting it or if you just want to buy more shares at $97, you want to see Nvidia losing $118 down here, all right? Now, Google is making a very strong bullish reaction, all right? One of the strongest among the Magnificent Seven. It is already trying to break the 21 EMA on the daily chart. However, it is going to report earnings tomorrow. So we can't count too much on this bullish signal, all right? Because, well, earnings will increase its volatility a lot. Now, it is good to see such bullish reaction above the 179 support level, all right? Because, again, previous top level is acting as a support level right now, but earnings will certainly bring a lot of volatility which could affect the technique over here, so we better watch out around this support level. Amazon is also going to report earnings in just 10 days. It is already trying to make a bullish reaction above the 181 support level over here, suggesting that it could bounce back to its resistance levels in the next few days. Resistance levels like 189 and the 21 EMA on the daily chart as well. Meta is already bouncing over here. It is making a decent bullish reaction as well. Guess where? Above the previous support level, $460. Previous support level here, here, and here last week again. We are bouncing to the 21 EMA on the daily chart. That's a totally normal expected movement. Let's see if Meta will actually reverse this bearish bias from here. Meanwhile, we see Tesla incredibly bullish. It is clearly above the 21 EMA. It is trying to make bullish reactions. However, it has two problems. The first one, resistance level at 265. Second problem, it is going to report earnings tomorrow, so the volatility will increase a lot over here. But if you ask me, it all depends to which direction Tesla will make a breakout. If we break the 265, fantastic. The bullish bias will resume. We are gonna make a very nice bullish reaction on the weekly chart as well. And in this scenario, we're gonna seek higher levels like the next resistance level around $300. If we lose the 21 EMA on the daily chart, well, the next technical support level is the 206, 205 area down here. So yes, the volatility will increase, but if we pay attention to these key points, I do believe we're gonna be just fine. Now, AMD is making a bullish reaction around a support level as well. It is gonna report earnings in 8 days. If we actually materialize a bottom signal over here, that's gonna be fantastic. AMD could trigger a very nice buy signal for us, which, by the way, I see many interesting stocks out there making fantastic bullish reactions. So yes, AMD is on my radar right now, and if you wanna get access to more stocks, remember, join the 5% project. There are many stocks outside of everybody else's radars that are looking extremely good right now, even considering that the volatility will increase a lot because of earnings season. So just take a look at our website. Again, no strings attached. The QR code's right here, link in the video's description. Now, Palantir. Palantir has a problem because Palantir is clearly in a sideways correction. It is inside a congestion or a consolidation, all right? As we can see here on the 1-hour chart, there is nothing incredible going on over here. We are still above our most important support level at 27.50, which is better seen from the daily chart. A previous support level, a previous top level, which is acting consistently as a support level over here. And we are still between the 29.29, the previous top level from September 2021, which is acting as a quite reliable resistance level right now in the past few weeks. So Palantir, it all depends on which key point it is gonna break first. If we're gonna reverse or not, I believe we're gonna have our answer in the next few days. It all depends on to which side it is going to break first, 27.50 or 29.29. And if you're still watching this video and you're not a subscriber, just subscribe this channel, join the Finance Hydra channel community, because I'm here every single day talking about many stocks, so probably you're gonna find something useful over here. So join this channel, take a look at our website, link in the video's description. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe, see you guys tomorrow.